Modern JVC car stereos come packed with Bluetooth, touchscreen controls, smartphone integration, and advanced audio tuning. But with that added technology, occasional glitches can happen. If your display freezes, Bluetooth won't connect, or audio starts cutting out, a reset is often the quickest way to restore normal operation. The key is choosing the right reset method for your specific issue. Important steps. 1. Start with a basic reboot by turning the stereo off completely, then powering it back on after a few seconds. 2. For a full system reset, remove the detachable faceplate if your model has one, locate the small recessed reset button, and press it with a paper clip for 3 to 5 seconds. 3. Reattach the faceplate and power the unit back on, knowing it will return to factory settings. 4. For Bluetooth issues, open the stereo settings menu, delete all paired devices, and reconnect your phone from scratch. 5. On newer KW series models, hold the home and volume down buttons together for about 10 seconds. 6. On KD series units, press and hold source and volume up until the reset option appears.